All right, welcome to this live session. It's been a lot of a quiet market, a very quiet market for some time now. But today we saw a bit of action in the chart, and trust me, a lot happened. Okay, very interesting price action happened. I am sure we are going to begin to find the entries from tomorrow. Okay, so very quickly, let's get into the charts. Just analyze those pairs that we are sure of, that at least we have a hint of their directional bias, and we are going to be searching for trading opportunities in line with those directional biases. All right, the first one is the euro against the American dollar. This is the 4 hours time frame. Let me take out this line from the hourly time frame. Okay, take out this as well, just keep it within the daily. All right, I want you to see a clear image. As you can see in the 4 hours time frame, the euro against the American dollar, this was actually that key trend line where price has been bouncing off. Price has been respecting that level, and right now that level has given way. Price broke to the upside. Okay, and it seems we are having the pullback to that level. I am hoping that price is going to remain above that level, is going to stay on top that level. What we are going to be seeing is a possible bounce to the upside. If that level is actually broken and we don't have a fake breakout, then for the euro against the American dollar, we are likely going to be seeing a push to the upside. Okay, well, this is still a very risky trade for risk takers. Okay, it has not conformed with our trading strategy, so we cannot call for any entry here for now. Okay, until we find the valid setups in line with the trading strategies. Okay, but at any rate, if you must trade here, be very careful going short, because this line has been broken. All right, let's look into the next pair, the euro against sterling pounds. Well, I do not know what I was doing here. It seems we actually missed the entries, and I was doing something totally wrong. Price was on a pullback, and price exhausted the pullback at that particular area, crash back down. Well, this pair is bearish, as we have previously analyzed, but I was thinking that price will go all the way to somewhere in here before we can see a fall back down. At any rate, we might be having either a range, okay, either a range, but the bounce to the downside has not been confirmed. It has not been confirmed. If it does bounce, then we'll be going back to the higher boundary, right to the top boundary right there. If it is not confirmed, then we might be having a breakout, and if we have a breakout, then price is likely going to make a pullback for a continuation move. At any rate, whatever happens here in the euro against the sterling pounds, we'll keep an eye here. We will see how we can get the best out of this pair. All right, let's move into the next one. The okay, this is gold. In gold, I just want to show you here that price is actually turning to the upside. All right, we're not seeing higher swing lows and higher swing highs. The directional bias has now changed. Price should be pushing to the upside. Although we might not be taking an entry here, but if you are interested in gold, please only search for long opportunities from now on. Okay, only search for long opportunities, and of course your stop loss has to be somewhere around that area. Okay, that should be your stop loss zone, somewhere around that area. It is bullish, it is turning to the upside, it should keep pushing to the upside. All right, The euro against the Swiss franc, these are some of the pairs that we'll be looking up to for tomorrow. As you can see, price is actually trading around a key level of resistance. Let me just scroll a bit upwards. Okay, a key level of resistance, that is an area that has been holding price as a flat top. We have actually closed our trade from this pair. If price is able to break to the upside by tomorrow, which I am thinking that is going to happen, we are going to wait for the pullback, and there we will be searching for our buy entries. It is a key level of resistance, and the price action there is interesting. Let's hope to see a breakout by tomorrow. Okay, it is on our radar. Hopefully we'll be getting an entry. All right, the next one is the euro against the New Zealand dollar. A similar price behavior, although this pair has a lot of confusion going on with it. But at any rate, this is our key level of resistance, and if we find a breakout, okay, it looks like a flat top triangle. If we find the breakout to the upside, similarly we'll be looking for our bounces for a continuation move. It is a high quality setup. Let's hope we are going to see a breakout to the upside. All right, New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc, although this one is pointing to the upside in the very long term, but we are having a flat bottom triangle here. If it does break to the downside, well, we'll be happy and we'll be searching for our short entries. However, there is some key levels of support around in there that we'll be mindful about. Okay, I'm mindful about that area, but let's wait and see where the breakout out of this congestion is going to happen. Wherever it goes, we'll be very happy to trade in that direction. And finally, the American dollar against the Canadian dollar. Well, this pair has been on a sideways bias in the hourly time frame for some time now. It has been within that channel. It is trading around the upper boundary of the channel as resistance. For this pair, I am still very optimistic that price will go down. So anywhere within that box, anywhere here, anywhere within that area, we should expect price to come back down. Do not go long in the American dollar against the Canadian dollar. Do not buy into this pair. Price is still likely to return back down. Okay, all right, that's basically all. Like I said, price has only started moving. Hopefully we are going to be seeing some nice price behavior from tomorrow for us to find some good entries. Okay, it's been a slow market. You can see large ranges all over. Okay, this is common. Just be patient. When the entries come, we'll definitely take them all. Okay, all right, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or contributions, as usual, feel absolutely free to send them across, and we'll be very happy to respond to them. You have a nice time, and hopefully we will talk again before the London market opens for tomorrow. Bye bye.